Hey guys, welcome to Real Simple Cooking School. I'm your teacher, Dawn, and we're talking all about cooking outside, getting everything you can from your grill. And I'm gonna show you one of my favorite desserts to make. All we're making is fruit in a wine syrup. It's so simple, you're gonna love it. So for this, you're gonna want a heavy bottom pot because I'm gonna put it right on the grill. Cool, right? And I just have some sugar in here and a couple star anise. That's these really beautiful, like seed looking things. They look like stars. I've got that, some sugar, and then I'm gonna add a vanilla bean. So I'm gonna show you how to split the vanilla bean. So I just take the end off. I'm using my small paring knife. And you just split it right down the middle, lengthwise. And that's gonna expose all those seeds. You know when you eat vanilla bean ice cream and you see those little specks? It's the seeds inside of the bean. So I'm just gonna take my knife, the dull side, and scrape that along the inside to remove all those seeds. Yum, right? I'm just gonna pop that right in the pot. And then you can drop the whole pod right in the pot. That's gonna give it even more flavor. And then, bottle of wine. Do this off the heat. And then right on the grill. I'm gonna give this a little bit of a stir to get it going. And just be careful, I mean, I just put the pot on so the handle's not hot yet, but it will get hot, so just remember to use those heat-safe gloves. And all we're gonna do is cook that until the sugar dissolves and pour it over some fruit. Pretty easy, huh? While that's going, I'm gonna show you how to pit some stone fruit. So I've got some apricots here, but this works with peaches, it works with nectarines. You can pour it over cherries. I've actually got some berries that I have soaking in the syrup. Remember, you're not cooking the fruit. It's just sort of macerating in this flavorful wine syrup. So something soft and tender is a better choice. Just like you were pitting an avocado, fruit goes down, knife goes in, and you'll hit the pit. And then knife stays still, and you just move the fruit around it. And the pits are very easy to get out. Pops right out, and you're ready to go. Okay, so my syrup's ready. It smells amazing. I've got my apricots here, but remember, whatever like beautiful summer fruit you find, go for it. And I'm just gonna pour this over and let them sit. Overnight is great, a couple hours is also totally fine. Okay, so these look amazing. I'm just gonna set these aside, maybe like dessert tomorrow. But I did soak some berries ahead of time, and we're just gonna scoop them over some ice cream. These have been sitting. I just got strawberries, blackberries, again, in the syrup with the vanilla, with the star anise, and then we scoop it up and we serve. Hot tip. Take the ice cream out before you want to scoop it. You want it to temper ever so slightly so it's easy to scoop, like this. And there you have it. The good news is also you can save the syrup. So once you've soaked one batch of fruit, roll it over, do the next batch. Just about the easiest summer dessert you could make on the grill or inside. For more awesome summer content, go to realsimple.com, and I'm gonna eat this ice cream right now.